In this video, I'm going to explain to you step by step exactly how to actually fix your DIRECTV stream remote flashing blue. So to be able to fix it, we are going to now see here. Step number 1, reset or replace the batteries. So take both batteries out for about 10 seconds, then you're going to put them back in firmly. If it still blinks blue, then you need to basically get new batteries and install them into your remote and see if that also can fix this issue for you. Step number 2, we're going to reboot the DirectTV device if it still is not working. So press the reset button on the device or unplug it for about 20 to 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Wait until the home screen fully loads. Step number 3, unpair the remote. So you're going to hold dash, so the minus plus apps together until the LEDs blink blue twice, and then you're going to release. Step number 4, repair the remote. So you're going to point the remote at the box and then hold fast forward plus rewind together for 2 to 3 seconds to pair. Follow then any on-screen prompts if given, of course. Step number 5, alternate pairing path. If step 4 doesn't appear for you on the box, go to Home, Settings, Remote and Devices, and then click on Pair or Program Remote, then follow the prompts after that as well. Step number 6, factory reset the remote only if pairing keeps failing. So hold Home plus Exit together until the side LEDs changes. Then you're going to enter 981 on the remote, then redo steps number 3 to 4 to pair once again. Step 7, if it still only flashes blue, you're going to replace the remote. So after fresh batteries, a reboot, unpair, repair, and a remote reset, persistent flashing usually means a faulty remote. And then you need to contact the official DirectTV for a replacement, of course. And that is basically exactly how to fix this issue.